Welcome fellas into this new video to Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Printify in Amazon. So selling print on demand on Amazon is a gold mine, but only if you do it correctly, right? So Amazon has an actual strict rules that you must be the seller of the record. That means that no third-party packaging is slipped into the bargain. So luckily for us, Printify integration now handles this automatically. So to preparate your Amazon professional account to use the Printify API, you must have a professional seller account, so the individual plan doesn't support automatically syncing. If you're new, Amazon will require a video call or a document verification, so make sure your name on your bank statement matches your Amazon account exactly. So before we connect Printify, we need a GTIN exemption. So Printify products don't have an actual, you might be calling them barcodes. So without this exemption, you can't publish anything. So the GTIN exemption hack is that if you click to apply for a GTIN exemption, you can select your actual category and type your brand name, for example. So when you are directly here into Printify, I'm going to go for try this later. And basically what you can do is to look out for a new tab and look out for GTIN exemption, and there we go. So basically here Amazon usually auto approves the generic exemptions into minutes, but to list products without that element, of course, you needed to get your product design to Amazon catalog. Your product has no product code or barcode, and you have category. So here are the eligible guidelines. Take your time to watch all of this, and here's the application preparation. You must check out the reasons, you must check out the image requirements, you must check out the quality standards, and of course the brand marketing, the name formatting, and a few incorrect answers. So take a look into how it actually looks, this information. So you can see that here appears all the application processed, and you can start by adding the products just one by one. So once you see that the green check mark, wait about 30 minutes to the Amazon servers to update before moving to Printify. And of course, it's not usual to tell you guys right now that you must have an Amazon Seller Central account in order to continue and to get access to all of this information. So with this being said, now what I want to be focusing on is to go back directly here into Printify. When you check here directly into the publish and the shipping settings, you want to focus for the product would you like to add. Make sure that here directly into the management of my stores, it's now appearing here your store settings, for example. And here, for example, what you can do is to make sure that you are selling outside or inside the United States. Make sure that the shipping from the addresses that's printed out default, just as the order settings. And in the publish preferences here, my profit margin usually go from, this is totally manual, that's totally up to you. And here for the option that says safe. Now to sell directly here into your specific products directly here into Amazon, usually what I do is to select one product, and let's say for example that I go directly here into my store, add my first store, and instead of choosing for example Amazon, I just get started with the one that says the Shopify. This process is going to be helping me of course to connect all of my inventory directly here from this element. Go for continue, and it says connect with Printify. This will be installing the actual application from the Shopify directly inside here. I mean from the Printify directly here into the Shopify. Hit into the option that says install, and just like that your marketplace of the Printify will be inside of the Shopify store. Just like that, I can close this now, and here it says I have completed the actual set this up. Just like that, I can now start creating, selecting a specific product that I would like to add directly into my store. And when you have successfully done this process, basically here what I can do now is to start selling this directly into Amazon. So what I can do is to now close this element from now. It says upload. I'm going to just select a product really fast. And if you add a new store, you select Amazon. Here usually what's going to happen here is that it's going to be asking us to name the store. Let's say for example Express from Amazon. Once again, I must have an Amazon Seller Central, so set it up in Amazon Professional Center. I have an Amazon Professional Center, and I hit for the option that says connect. Once again, here appears the GTIN exception, where it will be asking us required to don't come with a GTIN. You need to request an exemption into Amazon before publishing your listing, and you're actually good to go. So hit for the option that says connect, and you are actually good to go. Now, speaking about the element of the publishing and the shipping, you can pick up a product, add your design, hit the publish. Because of the integration, basically all of these elements will be done automatically. That's the beauty of Printify. And I wanted to tell you a little bit something that sometimes it actually don't work. If Printify is not working from your Amazon account, if you wanted, for example, like just an alternative, for example, what I can do is to recommend you the Print on Demand by Amazon, which is the Amazon Merged on Demand. They handle the printing and the shipping. We only handle the actual design. Now, the difference between here is that you're not going to be earning a lot of money of here. Basically, they pay you like a royalty out of this specific product. Every time a product is sold, you earn, for example, a few commissions out of it. And it must be really real, original designs. So that's the only you might be telling like the reason why this is not so popular. But still, if you want to try it out with the Amazon Printify, you now know how to get started directly here into Printify. I usually use Shopify to import all of my products really fast directly inside there. So hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully with all this being said, guys, hopefully we can all see you well next time.